How to translate Instagram stories. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply translate Instagram stories. So all you need to do is simply get started. First of all, what you need to do is get into your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. Once it's updated, then you're good to go because the new features won't be able to support the previous versions of the Instagram. Now what you need to do is open up your Instagram and get into your main profile page. You can always get to the main profile page by tapping at the profile that is at the bottom right corner where your profile picture is being shown. Once you are into this page, all you need to do is simply get into your story. So now what you need to do is tap on your effect or that C translation that is being appeared on under your profile name at the above screen. And now what you need to do is once this kind of dialog box appears, you need to tap on C translation, and once you tap on that C translation, you see that now my heading or my wording have been translated. So this is how you simply translate on Instagram stories. I hope this video was informative and it is liked by you guys. If there's anything that you guys want to know more about, for example, if there's any query or question, just comment down below. I would love to answer. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And it's a wrap up, guys. Till next time, peace. Take care.